Are you ready to get out of your current job and into a career that not only allows you to make a substantial income, but stop living paycheck to paycheck? I know that was definitely me about 7 years ago when I finally decided to make a career change at the age of 46. Independent adjusting allowed me, a person with absolutely no experience in the field, to get to a place of earning six figures, allowing me the ability to not only pay bills on time, but also save money, experience nice vacations, help others, and invest in projects I'm passionate about. If you want to know more about this incredible opportunity, or just simply get inspired to make that career change you've been contemplating for so long, whatever that may be, stay tuned. I'm Stacy with AdjusterlYfe, a channel that's dedicated to taking you from getting started all the way to, most importantly, getting paid in the field of insurance adjusting, and also offering career inspiration to help you make that change that you have been contemplating for so long. So if you do like what you hear, please consider liking and subscribing. Now let's go ahead and get started. First, let's get into independent adjusting. So, what exactly is it? Well, independent adjusters are professionals who evaluate insurance claims on behalf of insurance companies. They play a crucial role in determining the validity of each claim and ensuring that policyholders receive fair compensation for their related damages. Now, you might be wondering, is this the right path for me? The great news is that independent adjusting is a field that welcomes individuals from any background. Like I've mentioned in previous videos that I've done, I come from a social service and sales background, and I didn't even know what an insurance adjuster was when I got started. So it most definitely does not matter if you have experience or not. You can have experience in customer service, finance, food service, fitness, or whatever. Your skills most definitely will be transferable. And the other great thing about it is that you don't even need a college degree to get started. I really wish that somebody would have told me this before I started racking up all my student loan debt. But anywho, that's neither here nor there. Let's go ahead and move on. Now, let's go ahead and discuss why you might want to make that career change in the first place. Maybe you are looking for more flexibility so that you have time to attend your child's soccer games or dance recitals. Maybe you just want more time so you can have that special date night with your spouse or go to happy hour with your friends. Or maybe you want to change careers for better pay so that you're not struggling between those paychecks, and when a friend trip gets planned, you can actually afford it and not have to make up an excuse for not going. Or maybe you just simply want that career that aligns with your passions and it doesn't make you miserable when you have to go to it each day. We definitely should enjoy what we do since we spend most of our time doing it, right? Changing careers can definitely be a scary thing because it's taking you out of your comfort zone. See, you already know what you're getting with that miserable job that you go to each day that you've had for so long. But you don't know what's on the other side of that new career. So it makes you a bit squirmish, but you need to learn to press through those uncomfortable feelings or you'll never grow and live your best life, the life that God has planned for you. Okay? Got to get out of that uncomfortable state. So if you are feeling unfulfilled in the job that you're currently doing, and making a career change has been on your mind for more than it has before, it's time to take action. All right. Now, let's go ahead and break down the steps to successfully transition into independent adjusting or any field that you're passionate about. Number one, you're going to research that field. Start by learning everything you can about it. Look into the qualifications needed, the daily responsibilities, potential for growth, and earning potential. I actually wrote a handy resource guide if you're interested in getting started in independent adjusting. You can actually grab it by clicking on the link in the description box. Next, what you're going to want to do is network with professionals. Connect with individuals who are already working in that field you're interested in, attend industry events, join online forums, or reach out through social media platforms. This is going to give you valuable insights into the day-to-day realities of the actual work involved and help you build relationships that could potentially lead to job opportunities. Finally, well, it's not last but not least, there are more things that you can do, but these are like top 3 things that you can certainly do to help you. So next, what you're going to want to do is assess your skills and experience. Identify what's transferable to your new career path and where you might need additional training or education. By doing this self-assessment, you're going to create a plan for bridging any gaps and preparing for your new role. One of the most important things to remember is that making a career change at any age is not just okay, it can be incredibly rewarding. As we mature, we accumulate a ton of life experiences and skills that can be extremely beneficial in any new career. Whether you're in your 30s, 40s, 50s, or beyond, your unique perspective can set you apart from other candidates, so your life experience is most definitely valuable. Many people find that as they grow older, they gain a clearer understanding of what they truly want in life. I know that definitely was in my case, where I stayed in jobs that made me extremely unhappy. As each year passed, the more aware I became of how unhappy I truly was. And that ultimately led to a career that I not only now enjoy, but also one that provides time freedom and great pay. And if you've discovered a passion for anything other than what you're currently doing, it's never too late to pursue it. Today, there are more resources than ever to help you learn new skills, from online courses to mentorship programs. This accessibility makes it easier for anyone, regardless of age, to transition into a new career. And look around. You'll find countless examples of individuals who have successfully changed careers later in life. Their stories, as well as mine, I hope, can inspire you and prove that it is possible to start fresh no matter what your age is. So, if you're contemplating a career change, remember, it's not about when you start, but just taking that first step toward a more fulfilling, brighter future. If you want more detailed information about how to become an independent adjuster, visit my website at www.AdjusterlYfe.com, and that is life with a Y, or click the link in the description box. You'll also be able to get a free adjuster career checklist. Subscribe if you found this information helpful, and please comment to let me know what other videos you'd like to see on this channel. Finally, embrace the lessons, celebrate your victories, and persevere through difficulties. Thank you so much for watching, and see you next time. Bye.